Hello to all my dear CS buddies. Welcome back to the channel, and today we will be seeing that what are the practical company law tips every CS student must know. So if you are a CS student and company law feels heavy, confusing and overwhelming because of the syllabus, trust me, you are not alone. But today I want to share practical company law tips that are rarely talked about, yet they make a huge difference in exams and understanding. So plug in your earphones, just relax, and let's make company law simpler and smarter. So tip number 1 is stop studying company law as a law. Start seeing it as a business logic. Most students struggle with company law because they approach it like a punishment कि यार कितना बड़ा और वास्ट सिलेबस है कि हम कर ही नहीं सकते. But company law is actually logical business regulation, not just random rules. Every provision exists for a reason: to protect shareholders, to regulate management, to ensure transparency and accountability in a business. Whenever you read a section, pause some time and ask yourself that why would the law want this rule to exist in syllabus. जब why समझ आ जाता है ना तो sections automatically ही connect हो जाते हैं. Tip number 2 is your memory does not remember sections. It remember the situations. Let me very honest here. Your brain does not remember कि section 184 में क्या था. But brain remembers that oh yes, this is the situation where director is interested and must disclose. So always convert sections into situations. For example, director has personal interest, they have to disclose. Company needs urgent decision, they have to hold EGM. मैनेजमेंट मिसयूज हो गया तो पेनल्टीज लगेगी. ऐसे याद रखो. कंपनी लॉ बिकम्स ईजियर व्हेन यू विजुअलाइज रियल लाइफ कॉर्पोरेट सिचुएशंस instead of legal text. Okay. Tip number 3 is read provisions slowly, but think actively. Rushing through company law is the biggest mistake you make. One provision, read it slowly. Then ask yourself, who is affected? What is allowed or restricted? What happens if this rule is violated? Everyone well understood provision is better than 10 half-read ones. याद रखो सिर्फ ये सेंटेंस that quality beats quantity always and forever. Tip number 4 is write your one-line interpretation for every important provision. After reading a provision, do one powerful thing. Write one simple line in your own words. For example, this provision basically ensures that directors act honestly and transparently. So this one habit improves retention, improves writing speed in exams, and improves confidence. Company law is not about copying language, it's about showing your understanding. Tip 5 is case laws are your support tools, not your main answer. Many students panic because of the case laws कि कितने सारे केस लॉज है और मैं कैसे याद रखूंगी. Here's the truth. Case laws are not meant to be memorized each and everything in detail. You only need just the name of the case and what the case is saying and the conclusion of the case, that what the court has decided. That's it. Case laws are just like a seasoning to your dish. They enhance your answer, but they are not the entire dish, right? Tip number 6 is presentation is a silent rank booster in company law. In company law, how you write matters almost as much as what you write. Always structure your answer like this: relevant legal provision, brief explain in simple language, short illustration or case law, clear conclusion. Even average answers look impressive with strong structure. Examiner को clarity चाहिए, आपकी complexity नहीं. Tip number 7 is company law rewards consistency, not last minute pressure. Company law is not a subject you can master overnight, but if you give it a small daily effort, the regular revision and calm mindset, it becomes one of the most scoring subject in CS executive. थोड़ा थोड़ा रोज पढ़ो, but समझ के पढ़ो जितना भी पढ़ा, right? So at the end, as a conclusion, I want to say that company law is not your enemy. It is a subject that teaches you how real company functions, how decisions are controlled, and how trust is protected in the corporate world. If you treat it with patience and understanding, company law can truly become your strength. So dear CS buddies, stay consistent, stay calm, and believe in your preparation. We are walking this CS journey together. All the very best for your CS journey. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, comment my channel if you find this video helpful. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे हैप्पी, स्टे ब्लेस्ड. थैंक यू.